Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful vase out of cola can. This is a great way to recycle a can. So let's get started. So to make this beautiful vase, we'll need a cola can. This could be any can. I've removed the opening bit of the can. Make sure to file any rough edges. You can do this with a nail file or a sandpaper. Next, we'll measure the dimensions of the can. So I'm using a flexible ruler here. So firstly, I'm going to wrap the flexible ruler around the can. So the diameter of the can is 7.5 inches. The length of the can is at 4.5 inches. So here I have a beautiful patterned sticker which is cut to the dimensions of our can. So we'll wrap our can with this beautiful sticker. So we'll peel the backing off the sticker. And stick the sticker on the can. To lay the sticker flat on the can, we can make snips and lay the sticker flat. While sticking, line up the bottom edge of the sticker with the bottom edge of the can and continue to stick. So here our can is looking really pretty already. Next, to give a finished edge to our can, we're going to cover the top and the bottom of the can with this floral washi tape. We're going to apply the tape all along the top and the bottom of the can, like so. Now to make our back of the can prettier as well, I have cut out a circular panel with this sticker, and I'm going to stick this on the back of the can. So I'm going to peel the sticker off from the backing sheet. Then I'll stick the sticker on the back of the can. I've cut out a panel for the top of the can as well. I've traced the hole in the can with on the back of the sticker, and I've cut it out, and so I have a panel to go on the top of the can. So next I'll stick the sticker on the top of the can. So our vase is almost ready. To jazz up our can a little bit, I'm going to use some stone stickers. I'll be using the strip of stone stickers here. I'll peel the backing off the stone stickers and stick the stickers on the perimeter all along the top. You can use a pen pencil to guide the stickers to go in a circular way. Next, I'll stick some more flower stone stickers here and there on the can. And we'll decorate the bottom of the can as well. Finally, we're going to add this beautiful floral decoration on the center of the can. I'm going to use a foam tape to adhere the flower embellishment on the can. So here's our beautiful flower vase created from a recycled can. It's looking really pretty, and you can add some pebbles inside the can to give it some weight. And now for the final thing to add, which are the flowers. We're going to add some beautiful flowers inside the can. So hope you've enjoyed this video. You can subscribe to my channel Crystal Crafts for more such videos. You can also visit my blog craftworldv.blogspot.com for more information. So until next time we meet, goodbye and keep smiling. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts for more videos.